Guys, Carter from MGT here, and today I will be unboxing a toy that I ordered off of Amazon. You guys know, you guys saw the title, so you know the Amazon box is over there, but I got the one and only Stretch Armstrong toy. You can stretch him up to 4 times his size. Strongman Stretch Armstrong is back with his cool retro look and the same blue trunks, ready to save the day for another generation. So it looks like tie him, wrap him, stretch him. Looks like pretty stretchable, so let's take a look and open him up. I've been wanting one of these for quite a while now. They just seem so cool. Okay, so we got one. And number 2. So this is that. So let's pull him out. I got a little instruction thing. I don't really know what to do. So we got him. He's very squishy. So pull him out of the bottom. This is it. The Stretch Armstrong toy. So looks like you can stretch him, he'll go back to his shape. You can kind of, it takes a little bit of strength to stretch him, but as far as I know, he will you'll get used to it. He's very squishy. You can squish his leg easily and all that. That is really all I need to do and say about this. There's nothing really much else. He's made in China, stuff like that. Pretty cool action figure. I mean, it's not really an action figure. It's a stretch toy, but it's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, that's really all I have to say about the amazing Stretch Armstrong. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!